Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I'm a little raspy because I am getting over a case of bronchitis, but I have had this box for a couple days. It's my STITCHFIX, sorry, I cannot talk today. It's my 48th. I need to check out in a couple days, and I want to get this video done real quick before I go to work tonight. This box is a little different than my other ones because I wanted more of an accessory shorts box, mainly because I don't know, I just wanted something different. So it is my same stylist, Christian, who is awesome, and he writes me always these wonderful notes here that kind of tell me about what's in my box, and he chit-chats about his life and my life. For those of you who have not done STITCHFIX, it is a subscription monthly box that you can do it monthly, quarterly, every 3 weeks. I do mine about every month. And there's kind of different levels of membership. Most people are the annual members, monthly members, where you pay $20 each time you get one. That $20 goes, your styling fee goes towards your box if you keep anything. If you don't, then you lose the $20, and then if you buy all of the items, you get a 25% discount. I have been doing this for a long time, since my daughter was born, so almost 5 years, and they have something called the Style Pass that they offer for, I think, people that are a little bit more frequent usage, and so that was like $49 or $45 a year. Unlimited styling. That price went towards one of my boxes. I have well beyond used that. So I'm gonna get into this real quick. I'll try on some stuff and then tell me what you think. So I've already kind of gotten into this because I was excited to look at it. So one thing about STITCHFIX that you can do now is they have these extra add-ons. So this is my extra add-on. If you guys don't know what this is, they have like daily stuff like socks and underwear and shapewear. I got some underwear because I just really like the underwear, and some bras. So I've tried a lot of the different ones. I ended up really liking these two. These are by Hanky Panky. And this is the underwear. A little racy, but these are super comfortable, super cute, lacy. And then these bralettes that I have a gray one of this, which are really nice when you wear them under certain shirts. So those are extra. They don't count towards your amount to get the 25% discount. The underwear was $30 and the racerback is $20. And the racerback bra is by Hanky Panky, or not Hanky Panky, it's by Free People. So they're decently nice brands, but these are both, I really like both of these. I have some other socks that I really like. I've had some misses with some other shapewear, but I definitely like it. I'm lazy. I don't like going to the store, so it's nice to be able to try that stuff on and kind of go from there. All right, let's get into the bag or box. So he told me that he was going to send me some, sorry, you'll hear my daughter in the background, a splurge item here. So this is a little bag. Hold on one second, guys. All right, sorry about that. That was my daughter. So this is the MZ Wallace small Metro backpack. He told me this is a splurge item. I'm not sure I'm going to keep this or not because this is really expensive, but it's so cute. This thing is $200 and, is that right? Yeah, $225. That's a lot for a bag. I don't even spend that usually on purses, but it's really, really cute. So his idea was that this would be a fun little bag to take to Europe. We're going on a trip to Spain next month. Sorry if you hear the coughing, that's my daughter. We all kind of have that cold. But it has these little pockets that you can put stuff in. I don't think any of these are big enough for like a water bottle. And the inside of this bag is so cute. It's this like plaid material, or like quilted material. It's really soft. It's got all these leather detailing, and then there's just all these little like pockets, as you can see. And then it has this front pocket here. Oh, and there's even a little like thing in there. This is super cute. I don't know if I want to splurge this much. Even if I keep all 5 items, my discount's only $116. That would make this about a $100 bag. I don't know if I'd want to spend $100, but it is so very cute. All right, so next item here is I asked for shorts along with other stuff. This is the the Jansen printed linen shorts. These are so cute. They are stretchy. They're a linen material at the bottom, so it's a little more structured here. They've got this, you'll see here, this beautiful Kelly green printed pattern. And then if you don't know, they send you a little style card. This is what the style card looks like for this one. These are, hold on one second. I'm gonna get my daughter to stop making noise in the background. Sorry guys, I have a 5-year-old, well, almost 5-year-old, so that's the whining in the background. Anyway, these are really beautiful. These are $58. I love cut from the cloth. So at the last part of this video, if you want to see how these look on me, stay tuned. These are a size 10. I wear a size 10 generally. All right, next is one more pair of shorts. And oh my God, when I saw these, I was just in love. These are the Market and Spruce. It's another brand that is a very common Stitch Fix brand. I love their clothing. I've never had any pants or shorts from them, but it says on here, Lycra, which is a girl's best friend. And so you can see that it's stretchy here. But they have this beautiful like tropical pattern with pinks and grays and white. It is a thicker material, and it doesn't look like they'd be see-through. Sometimes white pants can be a little see-through. So these are also size 10. These are $54, but if these fit like a dream, I'm definitely gonna keep these. So again, stay tuned. I'll try these on in a little bit. All right, so we're getting back to the last two items. I did say in my accessories that I wouldn't mind some shoes, but they don't send me shoes very often. I wear a 9.5, so I'm kind of a weird size, and I find they just don't send shoes that often, which is a bummer because I love their shoes. These are the shoes they sent me. These are Keds. I didn't even know they carried Keds. I didn't even know Keds were still around, but these are super duper cute. You can see that they are kind of this black denim. I love these. These are $55. These are in a 9.5. I'll have to try these on in a little bit and see how I like them, but I'm thinking I'll keep them. When you get the shoes, they always come in this nice little bag to keep them clean and keep the stuff clean, and if you decide to return them, they always want you to return them in the bag. So just something to keep aware of. So I'm gonna put these aside. I'll show you guys how those look in a minute. And then our final item here is the Jenny Bird Sarah pendant. So apparently this comes with like a little card here about the artist. They do a lot of like unique jewelry design and artists. This tells her about herself. She makes her own pieces, and it just says it's an authentic product. It also tells you what to do to clean and store it, which I think is kind of nice. It comes in a little bag here. I don't really know about this piece. This is a very weird looking piece. When I opened this earlier, it is a very heavy feeling piece. It's got this weird circular clasp thing, like it's very dramatic. When I first opened this, I was like, is this a bracelet? Like misconnected onto there, but this is the piece. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this. It's a bit dramatic for my taste, but as you can see, this is the piece. It's definitely a statement piece. It's definitely interesting. It's very heavy duty. I just don't know about it. I'm on the fence of it. This is a $74 piece. So it's another reason I'm kind of on the fence, because it's a lot of money for a piece that I'm not sure I would reach for that often, but I do appreciate it's very unique and different. It looks very nice and pricey, and I appreciate that it's very luxurious. I've definitely in recent years gone to a much more luxurious version of stuff that they send me. Now that I've done this long enough, I kind of like to add little statement pieces into my boxes. So I do find that they're fun little things, but you can see, cute little box here. So I'm gonna pause, I'm gonna put on one other pair of shorts, show you guys how it looks, and then I'll be right back, okay? All right, everybody, I am back. I put on the first pair of shorts. That's the Market and Spruce shorts you can see here. They are super comfortable, super cute. I'm not wearing the best shirt to show them off. And I'm gonna show you my shoes here. So as you can see, I put the Keds on. They are very comfortable. Sorry, it's hard to show. I'm so freaking tall, but very comfortable. They fit nicely, so I'm gonna definitely keep the shorts and the shoes here. I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna put on the other pair of shorts and see what you guys think. All right, everyone, I am back with the second pair of shorts. They are cute, they're comfortable. I actually feel like I'm wearing gym shorts. They're just super like loose and they give you that nice like PJ feel. I don't know, I like them. I think these are gonna be great for running around on a trip in general. I do really like them. I'm sorry that it's not a better view here. I need the camera person. But anyway, those my Stitch Fix items. So I think I am going to probably keep, at the very minimum, the 2 pair of shorts and the shoes. I would love to hear what you guys think of the backpack and the necklace. If I keep one, I'm gonna have to keep the other to make it worth my while. So let me know what you guys think. If you think I should keep them or send them back. That's a lot of money for a backpack. Even as cute as it is, I can afford it. I don't know. I still have this thing where I don't like spending $200 on a little backpack. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. And I can't wait to hear your opinions. Subscribe as always and hit the little warning bell. Thanks guys for watching.